Fernando, what is this called up here? Above the fraction bar, what do we call that? Thank you for helping him. So we have a numerator, and then the number underneath the fraction bar is the denominator. Okay. The first thing I asked you to do was to work on simplifying two different fractions. Okay. Our fractions are simplified, okay, simplest form, as soon as the numerator and denominator, okay, have no common factors. So, when you guys were at the stations with the pink sheets, you guys were trying to find a number that could divide both numerator and denominator so that we can simplify it. That's called a factor. What factor do we have in common so that we can divide it out and make a simpler fraction? Okay, so let's look at number 1. Number 1 is 8 divided by 20. Okay, so Rhea is saying there's a common factor of 4. Do you agree? Yes. Okay, so we can say, all right, I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 4. What's 8 divided by 4?
2.
What is 20 divided by 4?
5.
Okay, now before Rhea gave the suggestion of 4, was anybody thinking the number 2?
Yes.
Okay, so I want to talk about this. Maybe, okay. If I have 8 over 20 and I get excited because I'm like, oh, hey, 8 and 20 are both even numbers, so I know I can divide by 2. Well, that would leave me but with 4 over 10. Okay, so we need to always be looking at our answer to make sure we did get it all the way simplified. Because if I divide by 2 and I get to 4 over 10, is that as simple as it can go? No, because 4 and 10 are both even numbers. We can divide those by 2 to get to 2/5. Okay.
Above the 20.
8. Okay. Okay. I think he's just making noises. Here we go. Number 2. Negative 6 over 18. So first of all, since our number is negative, we know that our answer is going to have a negative also, okay? I need to think of the common factor of 6 and 18. What number can divide into both, Memory? Okay, so Rhea is saying 3, which is not wrong, but does 6 work?
Yes.
6 will probably be more of a help than 3. Okay, 6 divided by 6. 18 divided by 6. It would be 3. So please make sure your answer still has the negative, negative 1/3. Okay. All right. I want you and your elbow partner together, if they're here, to do number 3. Do number 3.
I think Marshall.
What number can divide into both of those?
Like 11. Okay, no, but like for real, that's like 6.
I don't think 6 divides into 21.
So like 3.
So like 3.
Thank you for the answer, Brown.
Alright, I don't know what the answer to that is because I did not pay attention in first grade to doing this.
7 over like 9, I think.
Don't. She? No. Last time she didn't get the answer.
I'm not the best at explaining.
I didn't pay attention in first grade.
It's 9. Yes, I got it right.
Okay. Sophia Farrell, what common factor can we divide out?
Let me lock in. I'm pretty sure I can do. Fernando has his hand up.
I know.
Do I have 3? Wait, which
3, because
Right, yeah.
isn't it? Oh no, for 27.
I think I know.
It was a friendly helping.
Are you okay with 3?
Yeah.
Because what's 21 divided by 3?
7.
And what's 27 divided by 3? 9.
That's so complex. I knew that.
Okay.
Thank you, fellow classmates.
Okay. So let's by ourselves try number 6.
Alright, watch me cook. Watch me cook this one.
Don't even. Okay. What are you going to divide by?
I was thinking like 12.
I don't think 45 can divide by 12.
Show me your iPad for a second.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah, I thought you had the answer. So that's not 9.
2. It's 2.
2?
Right, Miss?
Why not 4?
Miss, right? 4, 8, 12,
8, 12,
16, 20, 24. Oh, you can do 4. Or you can do 6.
Why do you miss?
I don't know.
4.
Wow, Marshall.
They're being sexed the same because
Okay. I know you guys think that you're funny, but you're not. So let's.
That was all on Marshall.
you're such a cook and clean like a mom.
Okay. We're not going to make jokes like that. End. End of story.
Okay.
Marshall, what number can divide into both 36 and 45?
4. No.
I thought we were doing number 4.
It ain't 5. It's not 6. It's not 7. No, it's not 7.
7?
Wait, what can?
6.
Wait, no.
I'm just.
I don't know.
Okay.
Well, I know how to like. No, I don't know.
Okay.
Well. It's not, 9 times 4 is 36. Oh, 5. So it's like 4 over 5.
So we can divide both numerator and denominator by 9. And so we get 4 over 5. Very good.
Hey, I cooked. I mean, he cooked.
Yeah, she really did.
Okay. Now,
Say something?
improper form. Can anybody raise their hand and tell me what it means to be improper fraction? Rhea.
It's like when the numerator is more than the denominator.
The numerator is bigger than the denominator. So if we have an improper fraction, we can change it to a mixed number. Okay? A mixed number is an integer and a proper fraction.
Miss, can you slow your roll?
I can.
Guys, please be quiet.
There was somebody, why can't I find it? Somebody used the word whole number in their description.
Oh yeah. All right,
Where?
Now,
That was
you
that was
you
from
only
Amanda.
answered 2 of the 9 questions because you were yapping to Marshall.
Hey, stop. Who wrote the word whole number on one of these?
We said
can't
it, but
probably
we
read
didn't
mine.
write it.
That's maybe what I'm thinking of. Okay. Whole number. Since we have negatives and positives, that's why I'm using the word integer instead of whole number. Okay. So, when we have an improper fraction, okay? Now, I did, and this will, when you first started learning about fractions, okay, I think we were coloring in circles up here in group 1, and that was perfect, okay? But we need to be more efficient than that, okay? It was a nice visual, okay? But what we can do is we can divide the numerator by the denominator and figure out how many times, like how many wholes do we have and what's left over, okay? So, like this is a division bar right here. That's what a fraction is. Rhea, stop.
Over here.
So we're going to take 19 divided by 6. Okay. How many times does 6 go into, okay, 3 times, right? So I'm going to put a 3 up here. 6 times 3 is 18.
Minus 19 minus
So we have 1 left over.
No.
Okay. So we take our whole number, and then we take our remainder over, yeah,
It's easy peasy lemon peasy.
Or you can just like count them up.
It's easy as pie.
that's going to take a long time though. We're going to try to be
Yeah, but I
efficient.
can't do long division. I used to be able to do it, but now I can't.
But now you can do it. Okay, let's look at number 11. Do you see how number 11 is a negative improper fraction?
Yes.
Okay, all that means is that our answer is going to be negative. Okay? So now let's think about 26 divided by 3. 3 goes into 26 how many times?
8.
8.
6, 7 times.
8.
Okay. So what's our integer?
2, 8.
8.
8 and 2.
Just hold on, who's that coming from?
I don't know.
Negative 8 third.
Yeah.
Wait, roll your roll, miss.
I haven't said anything, Fernando.
Roll your
Do we have homework?
Okay. Let's go down here. Let's try to go backwards. And I think this is the part that you guys probably like the best. Okay? What it says is we need to multiply then add. What numbers do we multiply together?
3 and
3 and
1.
5 and add
3 and 1.
No, Rhea.
It's just it's basically
So-
5 times 3.
Okay, we are going to take the integer times the denominator
16.
and then add the numerator.
16 plus 16 over 5.
So this would be 16 fifths.
I knew that was someone that said
Hold up.
Yep, got that.
I like this part.
Okay.
Is this the homework? There you go.
Okay, now, I'm gonna skip over to number 18. Do you see how 18 is negative? Okay, that means our answer is negative.
All right.
But don't worry about the negative when you're doing the multiplying. It's 1 times 10 is 10 plus 9 to get us 19. The negative is there, but we don't need to use it when we're doing the multiplying of the denominator.
All right.
Okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to turn to page